In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share notebooks publicly in NotebookLM. By the end, you'll know exactly which options to choose so others can view your work safely and easily. First, open your web browser and search for NotebookLM on Google. From the search results, select the official link titled Google Notebook LM Mod AI Research Tool and Thinking Partner. This takes you to the product's homepage where you can access the app. On the homepage, click Try Notebook LM. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that using your usual Google account. Once the app loads, you'll land in the Notebook LM interface. Next, either create a new notebook or open an existing one you plan to share. If you're starting fresh, give it a clear name so viewers understand what it contains. If you're opening a notebook you've already built, take a quick moment to review its contents. Since you're about to make it public, ensure there's no sensitive or private information inside, things like personal data, confidential files, or anything you don't want widely accessible. A quick sweep now prevents headaches later. With your chosen notebook open, look to the top right corner and click Share. This opens the sharing panel where you control who can access the notebook. In that panel, select Notebook Access to view the available visibility options. Here, change the setting to Public. This setting allows anyone with the link to view your notebook, making it easy to distribute resources to classmates, colleagues, or your audience. After selecting Public, click Save to confirm your choice. That's the key step that applies the new visibility. Once saved, your notebook is publicly viewable. Keep in mind, public typically means view-only access for anyone with the link. If you later decide to collaborate with specific people, you can still invite them separately with edit or comment permissions, but those are managed outside of this public setting. A few quick tips for clarity. If you don't see the public option, it may be restricted by your organization or account settings. In that case, you might need to check with your admin or try a different account. Also, public access generally means the content is accessible via the shared link, not necessarily indexed in search, so you'll still want to share the link directly with your audience. And that's it. Search for Notebook LM, open the official page, choose Try Notebook LM, open or create your notebook, click Share, select Notebook Access, choose Public, and save. You're ready to share your notebook with the world.